Hi guys, in today's lesson we're going to look at describing differences in patterns. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is look at what the rule is of each of these patterns and figure that out. Then we can explain the difference. So with the pen, I'm going to describe the first pattern. It's A, B, B. A, B, B. Now the reason I can say it's an AABB pattern is because we have two dark purple, two light purple, two dark purple, two light purple. That's another way you could describe it. Or you could say dark purple, light purple, light purple, dark purple, light purple, light purple. So that's our first pattern. It's an AABB pattern. Let's describe the second pattern. Light, light, dark, dark, dark. Light, light, dark, dark, dark. So if I was going to use letters to describe this pattern, it would be an A, B, B, B. A, B, B, B. So it's an AABBB pattern. So the difference between these two patterns is that this pattern down the bottom has one extra dark purple. So it goes 2 light, 3 dark. But this one has 2 light and 2 dark. 2 light, so then it would be 2 dark next. So this bottom pattern has an extra dark piece in it. That's the difference. Now let's apply that to this pattern. So first let's identify what this top pattern is. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle, triangle. Circle, circle. Okay, so if I was going to make that a letter pattern, it would be A, B. A, B. A. Okay, let's look at our second one down here. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So let's make that a letter pattern. A, B. A, B. A, B. A. Okay, so using language to describe the differences here, we would say that the first pattern has an extra circle. It has 2 circles and 1 triangle, where the bottom pattern only has 1 circle and 1 triangle. The top pattern is an AAB pattern, and the bottom pattern is just an AB pattern. That's how we would describe the differences between these two patterns. Okay, let's look at these two patterns. This is a little bit trickier. So let's have a look at this top pattern here and describe it. Watermelon, lemon. Watermelon, lemon. Watermelon. So using our pencil again, let's describe it with letters. A, B. A, B. A. So it's an AB pattern. Now let's take a look at this pattern here. Can you remember what this pattern is? Look, it starts off with 3 pieces, and then they've added a piece here and a piece here. Now let's see what they've done on this one. Oh, this time they've added a piece here and a piece here. And this time they've added a piece up here and this piece here. This one is a growing pattern. So to describe the difference between these two patterns, we would say the top one is an AB pattern and the bottom one is a growing pattern. Okay guys, head back on over to the wiki and check out what your practice task is.